Hi guys, so very randomly I've just picked up my phone and I started to record and I've just realized my hair are in a mess. Okay, that's okay. I want this to be a very real vlog. It's 3 p.m. and I'm in the zone of having too much to do and not wanting to do anything. Firstly, here's my laptop. Constantly I'm sitting in this zone of working and scrolling. I started this vlog because it's been a while I have vlogged and I feel like I should continue vlogging, and I always forget that I should. Um, I feel I should vlog more often than not. It's 3 p.m. Usually I work from 9 a.m. to 3 p.m. because 3:30 I have to go and pick up my daughter. So of course I always juggle between mom duties and work. And currently the biggest mom duty I am having is planning my daughter's birthday, which is on Monday. Today is 31st, Thursday. Her birthday is on the 4th of September, and I'm planning a birthday party, and it's the biggest task ever because it's very difficult to plan a kid's birthday party, and I've realized that because बहुत मुश्किल है यार, नहीं होता. A lot of you guys tell me to vlog in Hindi, वो भी I'll try. What else? So guys, life update. One life update is that I've lost 10 kilos. Yeah, that's a big change in me. How I lost it is through zipping my mouth and eating right and being on a very low calorie diet, which I only recommend you to do if you're under supervision and if you are under the guidance of some doctors or some nutritionists who actually tell you how to do it. Because when you curb on certain things in terms of your eating, I have been on a very healthy diet. I've not been eating out. I traveled and I didn't eat out, and I have been eating only home cooked food, that also without carbs, more of a high protein diet, like whatever suits me has worked for me. But yes, I lost weight, which made me, a lot of you asked me to do haul videos. Guys, to be honest, now suddenly my clothes don't fit me. Everything is loose, of course. When you lose 10 kilos, your clothes will not fit you. Everything is super loose. So I haven't reached my target weight yet. It's not that I'm on some mission, मुझे पतला होना है, not that. But it's just, that's the air purifier. My husband has put these, can you see that? These machines everywhere in the house, which are basically room fresheners, and they just make this funny noise, which I find very annoying, especially when I'm voice recording. Anyway, guys, why I wanted to talk to you, because it's been a while I haven't spoken to you guys and not updated you, not have had a casual conversation. It's been a lot of structured videos, but I've done a lot of fun beauty recommendation videos and stuff, which I know you guys love and you guys showed a lot of love on. Anyway, very random rants actually here, but all I want to say is that today is one of those days I have too much on my mind. Today in the morning I'd gone to finalize the return gifts for my daughter's birthday. There's so much that you have to do: her dress, her cake, the decor guy, the menu, the venue. What else did I have to do? The activities, the show there's gonna be. Oh my god, I thought just normal magic show and all, what these kids do. But my daughter wanted a science show, and apparently there is an actually very good science show that happens in most birthday parties. Anyway, so yes, that. But also in Bombay, guys, the culture is of drop-off birthdays, which is also very interesting because the focus is only on the kids to enjoy. It's basically the mums are not invited, and just your close friends, you can invite your own close friends. But for the kids, it's basically a kids-driven birthday party. So I have a lot of that on my mind. Maybe that's why I'm not focusing too much on my shoots and on my work. I always have a lot of work, touch wood, by God's grace. I have a lot of work right now. Also, I have 2 voiceovers to record, two videos to shoot, one professional video to shoot, to schedule and work on some scripts and all of that. So God has been kind. And guys, by the way, this is the first time I did not dyson my hair, and not bad at all. All I did, this is like a really fun hack for you guys also. When you're lazy and you don't want to blow dry your hair or dyson your hair or whatever, or if you have, like, I have really frizzy hair otherwise. but they're a little manageable. Otherwise, usually if I air dry my hair, they're like this. But the only reason they have stayed and they're actually not bad right now is because I tied them in a really tight bun, like semi damp, like half dry, half wet. I tied them up in a tight bun since yesterday, and they have been in that bun. In the morning again I put them in a bun, and when I opened them they literally had like waves in them, which are usually like a lot of volume in them. So not bad. That's a good hack. I have some PR kits there which I need to click. So that was the update about me. I honestly have nothing to show you guys, nothing interesting, but I thought I should start vlogging and start talking to you guys randomly also, and start doing these casual vlogs, so that I can talk to you guys. Today I'm eating spaghetti. Today I'm eating zucchini spaghetti, by the way. Okay, let's walk around. I'm going to show you some random stuff in my house. Just random vlog, I said. This is the Rakhi ki thali. Today's Rakhi, by the way. I think I'm a little bummed because of that also, because I'm away from my brother and my family. So these are the 6 Rakhis that my husband got from his sisters. He has 3 sisters and 3 buas, and they all tie him Rakhi. So I had me and my daughter decorated this plate for him, for his Rakhi, and now he's gone. My daughter tied Rakhi to my husband. So yes, today's Rakhi and it's pretty dull. Bombay doesn't celebrate Rakhi apparently, so there's no feel of Rakhi. What else? I'm eating this. Is the tomato sauce. It's like a tomato, classic garlic and tomato puree. My hair are a little messy, but not that much. Yeah, I'm gonna show you. So guys, this is a very interesting and healthy recipe. I want you guys to try it too because it's very interesting. Let me open the box first. It's quite a task to open things with one hand. These are zucchini noodles. So you get this for 200-300 bucks, this noodle maker, and you can put zucchini, carrots, anything you want. So this green and yellow zucchini and carrots, which she has made into like a noodle form. And this is my tomato sauce, which is like an arrabbiata sauce. So this is pretty much what is going to be my lunch today. I'm just going to be sorting these in this sauce, having it with some basil ke patte, and maybe add some mushrooms in it. Let's see. But this is my lunch, and it's a very, you feel like you're having spaghetti, but you're actually having healthy vegetables. I start my mornings with an avocado and egg whites every day. So that's something you can also do. It's so simple. Like protein and fat are such good things to start your day. So I start my day with that. Also, since we are on the topic of me receiving some PR kits, let me show you what all's there that has come. This is one PR kit that has come. This is by one of my favorite skincare brands, The Ordinary. And look at this, guys. They've sent an aloe vera plant, and this is basically the aloe 2% energy 2% solution, which they are basically promoting. This is the new serum by The Ordinary that they have sent, and check this out. This has my name on it. How cool. So this is the aloe vera plant. Such an interesting idea to actually send the ingredient along with the serum. Yes, this is what the one package is. So I have to just click a picture and post it on my Instagram as well. But this is one. That's why I set it up, because I wanted to put it. But I love things that are personalized. And this has my name, so I love it. There's a lot of mess around here. This is all my shoot stuff, and I'm not putting it away till I actually shoot it. That's why I also keep it, and it's quite messy. Palmolive has sent me some stuff, so let's see. I have to shoot all of this. So wow, these are all of the Palmolive shower gels. This is essential oil and iris extract. This is the Coconut Joy Exfoliating Body Wash. I love this. This looks pretty nice and nourishing. This is the lemongrass one. Looks nice. And this, which looks very luxurious, luminous oils with fig with white orchid. So these are the 4 shower gels that have come from Palmolive. So they look pretty nice. I have to shoot. This is by a brand called Smitten. This is by a website called Smitten, and they have actually sent me miniatures of this brand called Fab Oils, and they do a lot of amazing oils. So I have to shoot this later. Nykaa has sent me these glutathione Oziva tablets. I have a shoot for this also. I have a Lakme shoot, guys. You can see this is backlog, literally. This is a range, this skincare range that Lakme has sent to me. Also, I have to shoot this, so a separate Instagram video for this has to be shot. So I'll try it out, and I'll share. Every time I share a favorites video, I do share what I love about the products that I try. MAC has just sent me some stuff, guys. I love MAC. So let's see what they have sent. Okay, oh, I love this kajal. This is a 24-hour kajal liner. This is amazing. I use this as an eyeliner also, and it's a small cute size, so it just works very well. Oh, I love the lip. I have been meaning to try the lip gloss. This is the lip gloss clear lip gloss by MAC. I think it's a mini. Yeah, it's mini MAC. They've sent me 2 mini MAC options, and it's very cute. Mini MAC products are nice because then you can order these minis and try them out, and if you like them you can order the bigger one. So these two, and my favorite lipstick ever, I wear this all the time, MAC Velvet Teddy, and this is also a mini. So yes, MAC has sent me these products. This is what I got from 82 East. I really like 82 East as a brand. Their products are really nice, and this is the Manjishta Mud. It's a clarifying mask. Is how the bottle is. I think the products are really premium. This is a clarifying mask, and I love masks, and I've heard that this mask doesn't dry out. This is the texture of this product. This is Manjishta Mud by 82 East, and I'm definitely reviewing this very soon, trying it on my skin. Let's see how it clarifies the skin. Yes guys, those were the few products that I have that are pending. I keep them outside in a mess also, because if I put them in, I'll forget what all I have to do, and then they're in front of me. I know exactly what I need to work on. Anyway, I have to go and pick up my daughter now, and I don't know how and why I started this vlog, and all I want to do is just lie down and sleep. But this is pretty much a simple life update of what I've been up to besides eating healthy, working, hustling, managing both the platforms, shooting, editing. But one change that I've brought in is that I've started to delegate, and I've been shooting a lot of content with professional photographers and videographers who are also handling the editing. When I shoot with them, then they only edit. Otherwise, most of the stuff I do, I shoot, edit, everything. Most of the videos I do that myself also, but of course I've started to delegate some of my videos, some of my professional brand videos, to videographers. Not YouTube content yet. I mean, YouTube is my baby and I like to do it myself, but Instagram I've started to delegate a little. So anyway guys, I'll catch you guys later. So guys, the little one is watching TV. So guys, I totally forgot I was vlogging the day, but it's okay, it's been 2 hours. I had those zucchini noodles, and they were very good. They're very filling, and it's an arrabbiata sauce of basically you boil the tomatoes and you obviously churn them in a mixie, and just saute them and cook them into a sauce with some garlic and basil, and you just make the zucchini noodle and carrot noodles, and just so healthy and so filling. And now I'm gonna have some carrots and some guacamole. It's so funny. Actually, this is turning out to be what I eat in a day. And I actually have a lot of commitments. I have to work on one script of those fab oils that I was telling you, those oils that have come. I have to create a concept note for the reel. I'm actually telling you what goes behind the life of a content creator. What you guys see is a 1-minute video, or a YouTube video, a vlog or something. Look at this light. Oh my god, my skin is glowing. And in that light you saw. So a lot of it is about the light. But you can see my hair, guys. These are naturally voluminous. This is because of the bun that I made. What goes behind being a content creator is also a lot of planning, a lot of concepts that goes back and forth with the brands. Like right now, I had recently, 2 days back, I had a shoot. Bliss Club store is opening at Linking Road, and I had to shoot the whole store at the store, try out a few outfits. And you guys know how much I love Bliss Club anyway, so I love working with the brand anyway because I actually love their products. So I had shot at their store, and it was a good 1-minute reel, and it was a very good reel. but they wanted it shortened, and I have to now bring the reel to 45 seconds. And sometimes you don't want to let go of a few sequences in your video, so that's what's happening. Anyway, so it was professionally shot by a videographer of mine who works with me regularly, so I've told him please bring it to 45 seconds without removing the amazing parts from the video. Anyway, so that has to go live if we get the approval, because it's been 4 times that they've gone back and forth with the changes. We've gone back and forth, but if he brings it down to 45 seconds, I might be able to take it live today. So that video is going live. I've actually already shared a very interesting makeup video in the morning on my Instagram. So yeah guys, it is maddening when I say I don't feel like doing anything. I actually want to do a lot of things and I don't know what to do first, is what happens with me. This light is so good, I should ideally be like shooting some content, and I never do, and I get the most perfect light in my house. You can see, by the way, these cushions, you can see, aren't they so pretty? I got these from Sarita Handa, and I feel she does the best cushions. The store is at Linking Road also, but I think it's online also. But they have like the most beautiful thread work and the most beautiful prints. Just see, they're not prints actually, this is thread work, but I love it. And the fact that when you work from home, you want your surrounding to be beautiful and peaceful and pretty. So is this lamp, which I love, which is from Fab India. I'm gonna get to my laptop. I'm getting a lot of messages right now also, and on my phone also, of my editor and all of that, to send the changes, and I should record my voiceover and plan my videos for the next shoots. So I will do that. And I made my daughter try her one of the birthday dresses I ordered for her to wear on a party, and she howled and she didn't like it. She chose it, and in fact, I'll show you. She's the one who decided this dress. I told her take a pink one, take a this one, that one. But this girl decided this dress, and now she was giving me a hard time. And look at this dress. Just look at this. Pretty like this, guys. I think it's really pretty and it's very different. And she chose the blue color. It's very unlike me to choose a blue color for a birthday dress. I always would like to go for pink. But this girl selected blue, and now she was giving me a hard time that doesn't want to wear it. I'm going to change the camera. This has just come, so I'm just going to show you. Oh, my snack has also come, so I'm going to show you that as well. So firstly, this is my snack, guys. Very interesting actually. Sometimes we run out of ideas, but it's not that difficult to eat healthy. So this is just leftover guac. There was some leftover avocado in the morning. I didn't eat too much avocado with my egg, so this was there. So instead of hummus, you can take carrot and some guacamole, and this is good. It's a very healthy dish to eat, and it'll fill you up. I can probably take one more carrot and I'll be good to go. Cheers to healthy eating. I love these orange carrots. Do you eat red carrots or orange ones? I prefer orange ones. This brand called Nessera has sent me a night suit, and I'm just in awe of the color only right now. So this is the top. This is the night suit that has just come from this brand called Nessera, and I think it's really cute. I love these shirt kinds, pajama sets. I'm a pajama girl, guys. I live in pajamas, so you can imagine. I work in pajamas. It's my workwear also. So let's open this. So I think it's really pretty because the fabric is amazing. It's so soft. I was thinking of taking a plain color, but then I thought your pajamas really need to be cute. So this is the name of the brand. If you're looking for nice comfort wear, lounge wear, this is the pajama and this is the shirt. And I love this yellow lining, and just the fabric is super good, guys. It's very nice, and I think it's priced at $19.90 for the shirt, and I think similarly priced $19.90 for the pants. Pajama, but it's damn good quality, guys. So yes, if you're looking for a good night suit, this is nice. When I try it, I'll see, but it looks good. They've sent me a size medium. So yes, guys, I'm gonna get to my snack now and get to work, and I think I'm gonna end the vlog here. Actually, the only reason I end up not sharing vlogs, I have at least 20 vlogs shot and not shared. And the reason is I don't get the time to edit, and I want myself to edit. I don't want anyone else to edit for me. I'm gonna end this here. This is pretty much my day, guys. I'm gonna have a protein shake after this. I've been having protein shake lately. And that's pretty much my day. I'm gonna be editing and working till the end of the day, and if there's anything else I'll show you. Otherwise, this is the end of the vlog. I will try and share more of such vlogs. Let me know if you want them. This is the real me in my real persona, and I wanted to connect with you through the real self of mine, which I have always loved to. So yes, no more structured videos, some vlogs coming your way whenever I can. Bye guys.